step into a world where steel meets silicon, where robots roam the battlefield and innovation reigns supreme. Welcome to the realm of modern military machines, where technology shapes the future of warfare. Join us as we uncover the top 5 mechanized marvels that redefine combat as we know it. From drones to robotic warriors, prepare to be amazed by the cutting-edge technologies that are reshaping the face of modern warfare. Number 1. MK9 Reaper Drone. Our exploration commences with the MK9 Reaper, a sophisticated unmanned aerial vehicle widely used for surveillance and precision strike. With its long endurance and formidable missile capabilities, the Reaper plays a pivotal role in intelligence gathering and targeted engagements. Number 2. Boston Dynamics Spot Robot. Transition into ground-based robotics, the Boston Dynamics Spot Robot emerges as a versatile quadrupedal robot designed for a range of military applications. From reconnaissance missions to logistics support, the Spot Robot showcases incredible mobility, dexterity, and adaptability in navigating challenging terrains and executing various tasks. Number 3. BAE Systems Trains UAV. Moving into the realm of the stealth technology, the BAE System Trains represent a high-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle capable of autonomous flight and strike capability. With its stealth design and advanced sensor suite, Trains exemplifies the next generation of combat drones, blending cutting-edge technology with operational effectiveness. Number 4. FLIR Packpad Robots. Stepping into the domain of robotic reconnaissance, the FLIR Packpad robot is seen as a portable and versatile ground-based robot used for bomb disposal, hazardous material handling, and reconnaissance missions. With its robust design and sensor capabilities, the Packpad offers unmatched situational awareness and remote operation, enhancing the safety and efficiency of military operations. Number 5. DARPA Alpha Dog Robot. Our journey culminates with DARPA Alpha Dog, a quadrupedal robotic mule designed for logistics support and cargo transportation in rugged environments. With its exceptional carrying capacity and trained traversal capabilities, Alpha Dog serves as a force multiplier in challenge and operational scenarios, providing troops with vital supplies and equipment on the battlefield. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the future of military technology. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge warfare. And stay curious and stay informed as we continue to explore the evolving world of modern defense. Until next time, keep discovering the wonders of mechanized warfare.